At Portnov Computer School, the product of the school is not exactly classes. The product is career change. So we are pretty much in the career change business. So what are classes to us? Classes are tools. Resumes are tools, internships are tools. We provide everybody with an internship, and we also have projects which we are doing here on school premises for real companies in real time, and with real professional managers coming from the industry to assist students in learning on the projects.
This error appears when you enter invalid email?
Only for email.
Invalid. Invalid meaning invalid format or email that's not registered with account, right? We figured that out earlier. You cannot have two users with the same email. So if that's what you meant, not registered with this application?
If on the email, when he is inputting my email ID, right, so then he is not getting any error message.
Alright, so if you log in as one person and enter email of somebody else, then
there is no error message.
Who is part of the wave book. Alright.
We have multiple projects running at the school simultaneously, so everybody has a chance to participate in 1, 2, 3 sometimes projects. We are trying to make sure everybody has a chance to participate in at least 2. It is critically important when we prepare the internship resumes which we distribute to the companies, because in that resume we make emphasis on the skills learned, practical skills learned at the projects we do here for real companies in the real time. So it becomes a major value they bring to the internships, besides having educational academic knowledge of test procedure, software development lifecycle, test automation tools, and many other technical and QA related things we learn in the school.
Yana is a QA director for the company called Los Altos Software Testing House, and she is running a couple of projects for Portnov Computer School. And so we will ask Yana what's important in her job, and is there any fun involved?
We actually work on real life projects with real life data, real life challenges. Our students have a chance to practice the concept that they learned in our classes, applying them to real defects and real problems with the software. We tested a project called Ways Go. It's a social media application that allows users, different kind of users, to write reviews, to find out about businesses in specific locations, geographic locations. There is a lot of functionality there. It's fairly complex, similar to other social networking applications that allow integration with Facebook, Twitter, Gmail, applications that have big social networking base.
So it has pretty much all the hot features.
It has a lot of hot features. It has, as I said, integration with Facebook, single sign-on to Facebook, Twitter, Gmail, Yahoo accounts. It allows to actually create social networking groups that are fairly famous these days. With the actual project, the most important thing to generate good output for the project. And to do that, testers need to know how to write good bug reports, how to generate this test documentation. So one of the things that we do in practice, we apply our knowledge of how to write bug reports on specific issues that we find in Ways Go application. Our team is working in Ukraine, I believe, development team. They're looking at our defects, and actually they fixed quite a few defects that we reported earlier last month. Builds are happening fairly often, every day.
Besides us, anybody is testing?
We have one test lead on the project who is actually monitoring defects that we enter. And this lead is monitoring...
You mean outside of the school?
So
We have just one person working out of Ukraine, or
he is part of the development team, or he is working with the development team. And we're actually thinking about writing test plan based on the information that our counterparts in Ukraine gonna provide us.
My name is Prachi Kumar, and right now we are at Portnov School learning the Waysco project. It's a very interesting project. It's because I have before I have no experience of testing, but now it's been like a part of my life. I'm learning too much, like writing test cases, entering the bug reports. It's very interesting, and I'm learning like pretty quickly and fairly nicely.
Do you feel like it's not a big deal to do test cases,
Yeah, of
to write
course.
bug reports? It's easy to learn.
Yeah, it's very easy to learn. It's easy to grasp. It's not like something that you have like a prior knowledge of. It's pretty easy and quick.